Welcome, fellow travelers. Your traveling buddy here, coming to you today from Delta Township in Lansing, Michigan. And I'm out here at this park using I used the old the app All Trails again, and found this trail out here in Delta Township called Hawk Meadow Park Loop, and figured to come out and check out this. I'm finding all kinds of using that app. Check that out. All trails. Find all kinds of trails in my area. So yeah, check that out. So let's go check this little loop out and see what we can see. So travel with me, will you? Like I said, this is Hawk Meadow Park. This is in Delta River Drive in Delta Township. Delta Township too. Meridian Township, Delta Township, kind of the same thing, but and I said, oh, something else too here. I might have to investigate that later. It says Michigan Auburn Capital City Bird Sanctuary. I might have to check that out and see what that's about. This is from the look of it, this is a pretty nice little park. They got bathrooms for the 45, but there's actually bathrooms. It looks like it's, I don't know if that's used to be a cornfield or what, but look at a big field. Looks like they do some cropping out there or something. You see the lines. Look at that. So there's handicap accessible things. Oh, there's one of these benches right here, and I can see one of those plaques. This is dedicated to somebody. You watch my past videos, I like seeing these. Yep, right here. This bench given in honor of Sue Lutz. Doesn't say much about her, but there's a little, I wonder if that's out there, that little dock. Yeah, from the pictures I've seen, looks like a pretty interesting little park. So, it's got a good sized parking lot. You can park. There's even some picnic tables over there. You can have a picnic out here. I don't see no grills like the other ones, but there is a picnic table. Like I said, there's the bathrooms there, and there's a porta pod. Oh, look at that! They got a bird, the birdhouse. Well, it said bird sanctuary right around here. Little birdhouse right there. Here's a rock here. Hawk Meadow Park has been donated to the citizens of Delta Township by Carl and Marianne Hossman and family. Please enjoy this and protect the generous gift. And there they are right there. That's a cool little plaque. Oh, look at the hawk. I wonder if there's some hawks out here. Maybe that's called the Hawk Meadow. Yeah, that's pretty cool. And then there's another one of these benches over here. C.J. Hossman. And then it's the same thing like the other one. Got that, shows that little pier-like thing. Oh, I noticed here that you got one of these markers. I guess during the winter time you can come out here and go skiing, cross country skiing. Right there's a sign. Yeah, you can go cross country skiing out here. Oh, look at this. This is cute. Look at that. How lovely the silence of growing things. And look, it's Winnie the Pooh, Tigger, and Eeyore. That is so cool. No Piglet though. I don't see Piglet. Ugh. Somebody broke the ears off from Winnie the Pooh though. And he's holding a butterfly, you see it? That's pretty cool. Looks like there's like a little garden right here. birdhouse is purple martins at home with the humans. So yeah, that's what these are. These little birdhouses are for the purple martins. Little area, I mean, flowers are kind of wilted right now. I mean, we had that all that heat not too long ago. It's not too bad today. A little overcast. No, not supposed to rain. But this is Michigan, and a lot of times you blink and the weather's going to change. But yeah, it's a pretty nice day out. A little more warmer than it was yesterday. It's about 75 degrees right now. And here's a sign here. It says dogs are allowed in here, but they have to be on a leash. And they do have those little baggy sections you can pick up, you know, to pick up your poop. And bicycles, you use caution when approaching others. So you can ride a bike out here, just be careful with hikers. Okay, this section here is, you know, got cement down. And there's another trail back there that's just gravel. Takes you back in the woods. So this area here you can ride your bike on. Oh, I'm sure you can ride your bike in the other area. Speaking of bikes, how you doing today?
Well, how are you?
Pretty good. How you folks doing today?
Good, how you doing?
Good. Beautiful day, isn't it?
Yep.
There's a butterfly. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, missed him. I saw him from the distance, and before I get the camera up, he disappeared. It was a butterfly right there. This is August. It's probably around time monarch butterflies are going to be hatching and start heading to wherever they go. Down by Mexico, I guess that's where a lot of the monarch butterflies go. I'd like to go there someday. I've seen pictures of it and videos. All these monarch butterflies. Here's another one of those parts of the trail that's gravel. Take that back into the woods. Keep on this right now. Come back to that. We do have trash cans out here, so people, make sure you pick up your trash. Keep this beautiful area clean. Alright, this guy over here is telling me there's a group of herring out there. Let's see if I can get them. There they are. Group of herring. Way out there. You know, any further you can see those cranes a little bit more. Still quite a ways away, but yeah, they're right out there. My focus camera. There they are. Check out this tree. I mean, it's been cut down pretty much, but that's a big tree. That is a big old tree. That is so cool. Too bad it's dying. It looked like, you said, you can see they've donated. Look at, you see right in there? It's our barbed wire fence. Growing right into it. Look at that, right in that branch. Through that branch. Wow. That's so cool. Another one of those benches. This one's in the bench in the memory of of Dick and Sissy Ferguson. And it's even got their picture on there. Here we got another one of those benches. Boy, they got a lot of them out here. In memory of Lowell and Dorothy Anderson. Anderson, that's my last name. Wonder if they could be related to me somehow. It's pretty. Somebody put a pot of flowers out here. Looks like there was one there, but either somebody picked them or something. That's cool. It makes me wonder. I mean, I've heard my family name are all around here, so they could be distant relatives of mine. Pretty little daisies right here with that. Something out there. Hear it? Bird. I already said, telling everybody, subscribe to the Traveling Buddy. Here we go again. We got another one of these benches, boy. A lot of dedications out here. This bench in dedication of the loving parents, Jim and Jean Cook. Right there. Whatever that is over there, he's getting loud. Telling everybody to subscribe to me. Subscribe to the Traveling Buddy. There they are. They're up there. There's a squirrel. There's a squirrel right over there. Just noticed them. Right there, a little squirrel. Like they had one of those learning things right here, but either it got broken or they just haven't put it up yet. It's a post right here. Oh, there's a black squirrel. Wow. See him? Where he at? He's right there. It's a black squirrel. See him? Going up that tree. That's a black squirrel. Where you go, little squirrel? There he is. Just scurrying around. It come to a point where I could either choose to go that way or this way. Which way? Which way? I'll go right. And there's another one of those off trails that it's gravel. Come back and investigate those. There's the pond or the lake right over there. You can see it through the trees, so I guess I chose the right way. And maybe that's where that dock is. They're showing those memorial benches. Listen to that. So peaceful out here. Listen to that. Oh, I can listen to that all day. So nice out here. Here we go again. There's another one of those memorial benches. Joanne Burvick. Love of all nature. Right there. I'm right with you, Joanne. Beautiful out here. Look at this tree. That's kind of growing weird. Goes up like that. That's weird. See? Now this is what I'm talking about right here. I mean, I've told you in my past videos I would love to have a house out in something like this. And, you know, if I had enough land and all that, I'd start a little hiking trail and allow people to come out. As long as you take care of it. You know, don't litter, don't graffiti. Just enjoy this beautifulness. Hi, I guess I'm going to have to call this the memorial video, because there's another one of these benches donated in the loving memory of OJ and Marjorie, hope I don't murder that name, Shrishkukalite. There's another one of those big trees. Look at that size of that one. That's a big tree. Here we are at the lake or pond, I'm not sure. No signs really say what it is. And here we go again. Another memorial bench. Right here. In celebration of John R. Wales, nature and wildlife enthusiast. Happy Father's Day, June 2008. There. Shows the lake, or whatever you want to call it. Right here, this looks like in that photo on that one memorial bench, possibly that deck. I don't know if you're supposed to go out there. They got a cone out there, or one of these road things. I don't know if you're supposed to go out there or not. Maybe it's just caution. But, oh, look at the swans. Look at the swans. See them? Bunch of swans. Look at that. Gotta be careful though, those are mean. They're beautiful birds, but they're mean. And look at that. Almost reminds me when I went to the Kellogg's Bird Sanctuary. There were a lot of swans out there. And geese. There's some fish moving out there. Wonder if you can come out here fishing. Looks like railroad tracks over there. See where the train, no, it looks like railroad tracks. Right across there. I'm gonna zoom in on it. See it? Wow, this is beautiful. Oh, there's a turtle. There's a turtle right there. See him? Right on that branch. Ooh, this is getting a little bouncy. Maybe that's why the caution thing is up there. Let's see. Get him. Right there. See? The turtle. Little box turtle. Oh, looky right here. There's a muskrat. Man, look at this. This is beautiful. Look at it. It's a muskrat. Swimming right there. Oh, he's going up in that log. That must be where he lives at. Went right up in that log. That must be where his little home is. Oh, I'm liking this place. A little bat house. Oh, not a bat house. Oh, it could be a bat house. You just see those in the nature areas. Yeah, I'm liking this. I'm seeing all kinds of wildlife out here. Those swans just swimming in line. Oh, there's a duck. There's a duck right over there. Where'd you go, ducky? Gotta aim him up. Where'd you go, ducky? I lost you. Hey, right there. There's a ducky. Trying to look through the viewfinder. Little ducky right there. Yeah, I'm feeling it. The reason why they put that cone up, or that barrel. Said it doesn't say you can't come out here, but maybe that's just to caution you that this is a little bouncy. More ducks right there. Oh, look at them. They're fighting. Woo! Flap them wings. Looks like this area up here is kind of falling in. So yeah, you can't go that any further. I just saw another muskrat right here. Where'd he go? He was right over here. I don't know where he went. Muskrat, river rat, what do you want to call him? He was right here. I saw him go right up underneath where that all that stuff has gone away. He's probably catching those little fish right there. They're like minnows. Yep, I can't go any further right here. Yeah, because there's the other part of the deck right there. It's hauled up by a barrel. You can see it. Yeah, I'm not going to go too much further. Oh, this is beautiful. See, there's another one of those memorial benches there, but I can't get close enough to see who it's dedicated to. Maybe there's another way around. Right now, I'm really liking this app, All Trails, because I never knew about this place. I mean, said I'm learning about a lot of trails right in my own backyard. So check out that app, All Trails. It's on. You can put it on your phone, You can look it up on your computer, and there's all kinds of trails everywhere. I'm finding all kinds of them. I guess I found out why it bounces a little bit. If you notice, I showed you down there was a barrel. I guess that's what's holding this up. It's kind of like a, you know, kind of like a raft. It was a good idea. But yeah, be careful. I say that maybe that's why they put the cone, that little barrel out here. You know, I mean, don't do what I do. I mean, like I said, if you use your better judgment, if you feel it's unsafe, like it's unsafe, don't come out on this. You know, I decided to do it. I mean, there was no rope or anything telling you can't come across it, but use your better judgment. Man, look at these trees. There's some big trees out here. Look at the size of this one. I mean, that is a wide tree. That is so wicked. So there's a lot of these trees. Good sized trees. I mean, they're not sequoias, but some big trees out here. Well, I was telling you the other day in my last video, a couple videos about how the bad mosquito, you know, mosquitoes weren't that bad this year. They're definitely bad out here, but of course I'm by the water and all that. I was trying to do that tree thing back there. They started swarming around me. Good thing I brought my deep woods off. And I put that on, they didn't leave me alone. Yeah, make sure you bring out bug spray when you come out on these hikes. What are folks doing today?
Hi.
Beautiful day, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah, it is.
Another one of them black squirrels. Look at them. Just jumping around. Trying to find food. There's a lot of acorns around here. Oh, there's another one. There's a red squirrel. Right there, see him? Hey, look at that. They ain't even that afraid of me. They must be used to humans. Look at it. He's close. What's here? People have carved their names in this tree. Really, these people, are you killing that tree? Doing that? Man, this park must have been real popular and famous. I'm surprised I've never heard of it before. Look at, there's another one of these memorial benches. This bench is restful comforts and placed with loving memories of Dennis Sharburn. Hope I'm not murdering his name. Husband, father, grandfather, brother, uncle, and dear friend. Dennis, a kind gentleman, was known for a ready smile, listening ear, encouraged word, and warming sounding. Come sit in a spell, enjoy nature with love, family, and friends of Dennis. Now that's cool. I like that phrase. Well, Dennis, you had the right idea. Sit right here next to where Dennis's memorial is. Enjoy this nature. beautiful. Here we go. I mean, I hope you're not getting tired of these, but there's an old memorial bench. And found in joyful memory of Pete, Misty, Moon, and Rosebud, and all the others who have entered our lives. We will meet you in the Rainbow Bridge. Now that's a cool phrase right there. Look right there. There's a turkey. See him? Wild turkey. Just happen to notice him. It's a wild turkey. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. There, he heard me. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. That's cool. Yeah, I'm liking this trail. Lots of wildlife out here. Okay, here we are by that, because there's the parking lot way over there. And actually there's that trail. Yeah, this goes that way. So, not sure how far it goes. Alright, fellow travelers, that's going to be about it for this little hike. Well, actually, big hike around the Hawk Hollow Loop here in Delta Township, just outside of Meridian Township. Awesome. Is that, if you want to find this, and it's on that all apps, you know, just to, type in the all apps, get the app on your phone. It'll tell you right where this place is. This is an awesome place, I tell you. There was so much nature out there. I loved it. I mean, I'm gonna have to come back here in fall time. I'm sure the fall colors out there is just gonna be remarkable. And tomorrow I'm gonna have to come back out here and check out that bird sanctuary. That looks like it'll be nice too. But unfortunately, I gotta get home, start editing this, so I can get this up. And unfortunately, I'm gonna have to probably cut out. I shot a lot of footage. I have to cut some things out. Don't want to, but can't have like a 2-hour-long video. But yeah, this place was awesome. I didn't get to explore those other trails over there. I might have to come back and try to do those ones next time. But yeah, this is definitely one I'm gonna pen down as an awesome place to come hike. Right here in Lansing. I've never heard of it before. That's what I like about that all trails app. You find all kinds of trails in right in your own backyard. And I tell you what, how many memorial benches were out there? This is definitely a popular place. I've never seen that many memorial benches in my life in hiking areas. So this is definitely a popular place. I would definitely put this right on the top of my list of places to hike in Michigan. So, if you like this hike, give me a thumbs up. Share me out. Share me out on, Facebook, Twitter, any social media. Share my videos out. That helped me grow. And if you have any hiking areas you want me to check out, in this area or anywhere else, let me know. Leave a comment below. Any ideas for me to do, roadside attractions and that, let me know. I just might show up and do it. So till next time, my fellow travelers, I'll see you around the mitten. Bye.